हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज आम डिस्कसन करने जहाँकि भेरी भेरी इंपोर्टेंट लिस्ट ऑफ पॉपुलर बुक्स एंड देयर ऑथर्स नेम 100 प्लस एंड लिस्ट ऑफ पॉपुलर बुक्स जहाँकि भेरी भेरी इंपोर्टेंट बुक्स एवं तार ऑथर जो मैंने लिखी से बही गुड़ी को जहाँकि विभिन्न प्रकार कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम मान ताहारी ऊपर ही क्वेश्चन आसे। तो चलते आज लेट करवानी से विषय आज आम डिस्कसन करवा से विषय आजिकार टॉपिक अच्छी। तो आउ लेट करवानी आज वीडियो बहुत ही बढ़िया अच्छी वीडियोटी। तो चलो तो फास्ट लास्ट पर्यटन देखिए, जमा भी स्किप करेंगे। जो मैंने भी मोर चैनल नुआ आसी वीडियो देखते प्रथम मोर चैनल को लाइक कर दियो, शेयर कर दियो और सब्सक्राइब कर दियो और साइड रे बेल आइकन को मध्य क्लिक कर दियो जहाँ कि नुआ नुआ वीडियो अपलोड हेले तुम मान पाखे नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचो। और लेट करें, चलो स्टार्ट करबा आज क्लास।
List of popular books and their authors. Traditional GK. At first, who is the author of the book Baburnama? Who is the author of the book Baburnama? Baburnama author किए ना होचंती बाबर. Who is the author of the book Made in Japan? Made in Japan author होचंती Akio Morita. Who is the author of the book Mein Kampf? Adolf Hitler. Who is the author of the book Moonwalk? Michael Jackson. होई द ऑथर किए होची मून वाक ऑथर होची किए माइकल जैक्सन। हो इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक सनी डेज। सनी डेज ऑथर होचंती सुनील गाभास्कर। हो इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक विंग्स ऑफ फायर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। हो इज द ऑथर किए होचंती ऑथर होची द बुक विंग्स ऑफ फायर। विंग्स ऑफ फायर ऑथर होचंती डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। हो इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक एन.आई. अकबरी एंड अकबरनामा Abul Fazal. Who is the author of the book Idols? Sunil Gavaskar. Who is the author of the book Worshipping False Gods? Arun Shourie. Who is the author of the book Triumph? Jacqueline Susan. And the next, who is the author of the book Triumph? Jacqueline Susan. The next, who is the author of the book To Live or Not to Live? Nirad C. Chaudhary. Who is the author of the book My Truth? Indira Gandhi. Who is the author of the book My Music, My Life? P.T. Ravi Shankar. Who is the author of the book Mother India? Catherine Mayo. Who is the author of the book Kumar Sambhava? Kalidas. Who is the author of the book of I Am Assassinated? Who is the author of the book If I Am Assassinated? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Who is the author of the book Is Paris Burning? Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre. The next, who is the author of the book India Unbound? Guru Chand Das. Who is the author of the book The Golden Gate? Vikram Seth. Who is the author of the book Golden Threshold? Sarojini Naidu. The next, who is the author of the book Glimpses of World History? Who is the author of the book Glimpses of World History? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of the book Gathering Storm? Winston Churchill. Who is the author of the book For Whom the Bell Tolls? Ernest Hemingway. Who is the author of the book First Among Equals? Jeffrey Archer. Who is the author of the book Farewell to Arms? Ernest Hemingway. Who is the author of the book Doctor's Dilemma? George Bernard Shaw. Who is the author of the book District Diary? Jaswant Singh. Who is the author of the book Confessions of a Lover? Mulk Raj Anand. Who is the author of the book Beyond Peace? Richard Nixon. Who is the author of the book Broken Wing? Sarojini Naidu. Who is the author of the book Between the Lines? Kuldeep Nair. Who is the author of the book Area of Darkness? V.S. Naipaul. Who is the author of the book All is Well That Ends Well? William Shakespeare. Then, who is the author of the book A Tale of Two Cities? A Tale of Two Cities? Charles Dickens. Who is the author of the book Anna Karenina? Leo Tolstoy. Who is the author of the book Antony and Cleopatra, William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Abhinyan Shakuntalam? Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kalidas. Who is the author of the book As You Like It? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Babbitt? Sinclair Lewis. Who is the author of the book Caesar and Cleopatra? George Bernard Shaw. Who is the author of the book The Comedy of Errors? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book David Copperfield? Charles Dickens. Who is the author of the book Devdas? Sarath Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the author of the book Dr. Zhivago? Boris Pasternak. Who is the author of the book Don Quixote? Miguel D. Cervantes. Who is the author of the book Gone with the Wind? Margaret Mitchell. Who is the author of the book Gulliver Travels? Jonathan Swift. Who is the author of the book Hamlet? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Iliad? Homer. Who is the author of the book Indica? Megasthenes. Next, who is the author of the book The Importance of Being Earnest? Oscar Wilde. Who is the author of the book Invisible Man? H.G. Wells. Who is the author of the book Julius Caesar? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Kadambari? Banabhat. Who is the author of the book Kama Sutra? Vatsyayan. Okay. Then next, who is the author of the book Kamayani? Jaishankar Prasad. Who is the author of the book King Lear? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Mahabharata? Vedavyasa. Who is the author of the book Meghdut ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କାଳିଦାସ. Who is the author of the book Merchant of Venice? William Shakespeare. Then next, who is the author of the book Mudra Rakshasa? Vishaka Datta. Who is the author of the book Odyssey? Homer. Who is the author of the book Oliver? Charles Dickens. Who is the author of the book Othello? William Shakespeare. Who is the author of the book Paradise Lost? John Milton. Who is the author of the book Pathar Panchali? Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Who is the author of the book Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen. Who is the author of the book Raghuvamsam? Kalidas. Then next, who is the author of the book Ramacharitamanasa? Tulsidas. Who is the author of the book Ramayana? ବାଲ୍ମୀକି ରଚନା କରିଥିଲେ ରାମାୟଣ, ତୁଳସୀଦାସ ରଚନା କରିଥିଲେ ରାମଚରିତମାନସ, ରଘୁବଂଶ କାଳିଦାସ. And who is the author of the book ରତ୍ନାବଳୀ? ହର୍ଷବର୍ଦ୍ଧନ. Who is the author of the book Robinson Crusoe? Daniel Defoe. Who is the author of the book Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. Who is the author of the book My Experiments with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. The next, who is the who is the author of the book Three Musketeers? Alexander Dumas. Who is the author of the book Time Machine? H.G. Wells. Who is the author of the book Uttara Ramacharita? Bhavabhuti. Who is the author of the book Vanity Fair? William Thackeray. Who is the author of the book Yama? Mahadevi Verma. Who is the author of the book Untouchable? Mulk Raj Anand. Next, who is the author of the book Diplomacy? हेनरी किसिंजर. Who is the author of the book Das Kapital? Karl Marx. Who is the author of the book Satyartha Prakash? Swami Dayanand. Who is the author of the book Man of Destiny? George Bernard Shaw. Who is the author of the book गीत गोविंद? जयदेव गीत गोविंद रचना करते आम पढ़ी आसचु. Who is the author of the book Voice of Conscience? V.V. गिरी. Who is the author of the book Rubaiyat? Omar Khayyam. Who is the author of the book गीतांजलि? रविंद्रनाथ टागोर द्वारा गीतांजलि रचना कराइला. Who is the author of the book भारत भारती? मैथिली शरण गुप्त. Who is the author of the book Wake Up India? Annie Besant. Who is the author of the book A Passage to India? E.M. Foster. Next, who is the author of the book Indian Philosophy? S. Radhakrishnan. Who is the author of the book India Wins Freedom? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the author of the book India Divided? Dr. Rajendra Prasad द्वारा who is the author of the book India Divided. The next, who is the author of the book Hindu View of Life? S. Radhakrishnan. Who is the author of the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of the book अर्थशास्त्र कौटिल्य द्वारा अर्थशास्त्र बही लिखाई. Who is the author of the book War and Peace? Leo Tolstoy. Who is the author of the book पंचतंत्र लिखिले होची विष्णु शर्मा. Who is the author of the book पंचतंत्र? विष्णु शर्मा. Who is the author of the book Malgudi Days? R.K. नारायण. Malgudi Days R.K. नारायण. ओके तो पिला माने आज आम 100टा क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन कलु. ऑथर लिस्ट ऑफ बुक्स एंड देयर ऑथर्स. लिस्ट ऑफ बुक्स पॉपुलर बुक्स एंड देयर ऑथर्स. ट्रेडिशनल जीके आज आम डिस्कशन कलु 20टा. तेणुक तुम मैंने भल से यहाँ पढ़ीदेव कहीं सबू प्रकार एग्जाम यही भितर ही क्वेश्चन आसे. तेणुक आज भिडियोटी जब तुमको भल लगी थाए ताहले निहाती भिडियोटी को लाइक करिवो एवं जदि भल लगी थाए ताहले निहाती शेयर मध्य करिवो एवं सब्सक्राइब करिवो एवं सब्सक्राइब कर सारा पर साइड रे थिया बेल आइकन को मध्य क्लिक कर देबो जार फल कि नुआ नुआ वीडियो सब आसिले तुम पाखे नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाव. रहुची आज क्लास एतिकी. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मु आउ गोटे नुआ वीडियो नहीं आसबि. रहुची. धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ.